welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for mint vegan American buttercream. So the idea behind that is that the vegan American buttercream recipe I have up isn't really meant to taste that great, and it's meant more to look pretty, which is great if that's what you want. But if you're actually making a vegan cake, it would be nice to have something that actually tastes decent. And so I wanted to show you how you can make it to a point where it actually does taste good, and you could make it flavored if you would like to. So let's get started. First of all, our vegan ingredients. We need half a cup or 125 grams of vegan margarine. Make sure it's one you like the taste of. 4 cups or 500 grams of powdered sugar. 4 to 6 tablespoons of water or plant-based milk. 1 teaspoon peppermint flavor. Turquoise food coloring, which is optional. Begin by creaming the margarine. Add the powdered sugar a little at a time. Mine was a bit lumpy. Add the liquid a tablespoon at a time to get consistency. Continue to add the powdered sugar until it's all been added, and liquid a tablespoon at a time to keep the buttercream consistency. Add flavoring. Add food coloring. I feel like anything mint is typically colored turquoise, and in my experience people won't recognize the flavor unless it looks like it should taste like it does. So I do recommend adding the food coloring. This buttercream is a bit sweet since it's based on American buttercream, but it does flavor and color really well. And it doesn't taste flavorless sweet like my previous recipe for vegan American buttercream. This one has flavor. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.